Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your PlayStation 5. First, make sure your Bluetooth mouse is fully charged and ready for pairing. You'll need to activate its pairing mode, which usually involves holding a specific button until a light flashes. Then, from your PS5's home screen, navigate to the top right corner and select the gear icon to open the settings menu. Once in the settings menu, scroll down and select Accessories. From there, choose General and then Bluetooth Accessories. Your PlayStation 5 will now search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your mouse's name in the list of found accessories. Select it with your controller and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. A notification will confirm a successful connection. 1, 2, 3. After connecting, you can customize your mouse settings. Go back to Accessories, then Other Accessories, where you can adjust the pointer speed and select left-handed or right-handed use. It's important to note that while your Bluetooth mouse works for system navigation and typing, direct gameplay support is limited to a few specific games. For broader gaming compatibility, you might need a specialized third-party converter. 9, 11. To summarize, connecting a Bluetooth mouse to your PlayStation 5 is straightforward for navigating menus and typing. However, for playing games, direct support is not universal. Always check if a game natively supports mouse input. If not, a wired USB mouse or a dedicated converter can offer a more consistent gaming experience across a wider range of titles. Enjoy your enhanced PS5 experience. 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.